Okay, let's study MrBeast's thumbnails. I've done this for hours and hours and have just been studying his videos for like months. And why, you ask? Because he's the #1 YouTuber, as you can see here on Google. Did you even know his name was James Donaldson? Anyway, if you look for images of him, there's really not that many. But okay, let's go to the YouTube platform, and these are his most recent videos here, and we're just scrolling down, and I just want you to notice that he has a big open mouth usually, and he's usually looking to the right if you're looking at him. It's rare that he looks to the left or anything like that, and it's rare for him to have like a full body showing. And here, we're getting older here. We're at the 2-year mark, going down to 3 years. His beard is very short or almost no facial hair. We're moving into an era of the 3 into 4 year mark where you see less of him coming up, where he will feature other people from his channel or competitors. Like this one. As you see, I think they're starting to notice at this point that their views are more when they show him. When they show, say, somebody else, it's not usually as many views. And he became more popular after that point, I believe. But I think it's because he gave away a lot of money too. It just like rocketed him to the top. I'm just picking this all apart because I think it's good to understand what makes somebody successful, because then maybe you can be successful. This one where you press the button to win $100,000, people like that one even though his face wasn't in it. They did not like the one where it's him from 5 years ago before that point, like with no facial hair. They barely clicked on that one. I don't know why. I think they like his facial hair. Okay, now we didn't hit the 4 year ago mark yet. Like, we're getting into his older videos here. I'm just wanting you to notice the views on them and what thumbnails got more views than the others. Just check out all those numbers. They didn't like his one about the scouting for a day. It has less than the other ones. Oh, and also, throughout this, if you ever watch his videos, a lot of the times the things shown are not even in the video. The things shown in the thumbnail, which is deceiving. I do feel like the videos don't live up to the thumbnails sometimes, but I still watch his videos because I still think it's worthwhile, though I can't speak for everybody else. Honestly, most of them are just about giving money away. And a lot of the people that get the money are people he already knows or people in his town. So, I mean, I don't know why people get their hopes up, because your chance of winning money from him is like nothing. It's like winning the lottery. Unless you live like right near him. That's my opinion. We're getting older here. How far back are we now here? Whoa, many years ago. As you can see, he doesn't have that same face that I've been showing you. And we're going to delve into that right now. I want you to see 2 very similar shots of him that I overlapped. It's where he helps a deaf child and then a seeing child to see. Okay, let's start back farther where he has less facial hair. As you can see, there's not many thumbnails like this. And then we'll move along to more recent. Okay, what's next? We've got, upper body shots. Okay, we got a few upper body shots. He likes to wear his MrBeast shirts to show it off. And, you know, he wants people to buy his merchandise. At this point, he's getting people to buy his merchandise and getting more money in order to make more videos and become bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And the bigger he gets, it's a snowball effect. So if you can sell things on the side, I think it's good. All right, here's my oddball grouping. he is in prison a lot in this session. He's not doing that smiling face. His faces are not the typical looking to the one side with the mouth open. He's making oddball gestures. Here's a rarity for him to show his full body. Now the sharks, I don't even think that was part of the video. Okay, deceiving. But it looks like he has the same shirt on. Now here we have straight looking forward shots. There's not many of these. Let's see. I'm getting too excited. My voice gets a little annoying. Sorry. But look, 2 referee shots. I think he took them the same day. I think he took these 2 the same day. These are some of the first ones I showed you before. His hair kind of looks like the same style too. So, yeah. Oh, here he's looking the other direction than normal. Okay, I found 5 of these. And he wasn't even in that room with the spikes, I don't think. That was like totally set up to get you to click. All right, look at the gold colors he's been using. These are more recent videos, and he likes to look off to this side. This is the side I'm talking about. I don't even think that's his Willy Wonka costume, to be honest. Here's an underwater shot. That's pretty cool. Do you think he really got wet for that one? I don't think the shark was there, obviously. All right, those snakes, those weren't there, I'm sure. I'm not going to say 100% sure. But look, he's wearing his MrBeast shirts again. See that? Well, this is my study of MrBeast thumbnails. If you have a face that people seem to like, I would suggest doing that face and taking your photos all in one day to save time, because the more time you save, the more you can put out there. Thanks for watching.